Welcome to part 3 of Parts of the Body in Bisaya. Tiyan. Tiyan is belly. Tiyan. Tiyan, belly. Unsa sa Bisaya ang belly? What is the Bisaya word for belly? The answer is tiyan. Tiyan. Pusod is belly button. Pusod. Pusod is belly button. What is the Bisaya word for belly button? Unsa sa Bisaya ang belly button? The answer is pusod. Pusod. Upper leg or thigh in Bisaya is batiis. Batiis. Batiis is thigh. Unsa sa Bisaya ang thigh? What is the Bisaya word for thigh? The answer is batiis. Batiis. Tuhod is knee. Tuhod is a Bisaya for knee. Tuhod. What is a Bisaya word for knee? Unsa sa Bisaya ang knee? The answer is tuhod. Tuhod. Paa is leg. Paa is leg. Paa. What is a Bisaya word for leg? Unsa sa Bisaya ang leg? The answer is paa. Paa. Tiil is a Bisaya word for foot. Tiil. Tiil, foot. Unsa sa Bisaya ang foot? What is a Bisaya word for foot? The answer is tiil. Tiil. Kuko sa tiil is toenail. Kuko sa tiil, toenail. What is a Bisaya word for toenail? Unsa sa Bisaya ang toenail? The answer is kuko sa tiil. Hope you learned something new today. Until next time, this is Teacher Joanne. Salamat!